Hello everyone. Take a black marker, then draw this almost semicircular shape out of it. Add another curved line underneath it, then add the eyes and a mouth to it as well. Now once you're done with this, now color the snout in if you want, and then afterwards draw the top portion of it, that is the ears as well. After this, draw a six shape underneath it and then make this into the body. Add the arms to it as well as the legs and then a bushy little tail. Now once you're done with this, add a large vegetable as well. You have decided to draw a little carrot that it is holding on to. Add the leafy section at the top of it, and then you may also add the lines onto this carrot as such. Add little bits of grass all throughout the bottom and other places and color all of this in. Next, we'll start off by taking a marker, add an S shape, add a line coming out from the top and the bottom of it. Now connect one side to it and then make it into a dog shape. Now, as you can see, we have added the eyes, add a snout to it as well as a mouth. Underneath it, draw the rest of the body. Add the long body to it, then add the legs, add a little tail to the back of it as well. Now make it look like it is holding something. On the other side, draw a little cat, add the eyes to it and then the snout and a little mouth to it as well. Now continue on and draw the rest of the body of this as well. Add patterns on this cat's body. Add the long legs and the rest of it, and then afterwards draw the tail for this as well. Make it slightly longer than the tail of the dog. As you can see, we have added the patterns all over the body as well, and now color in the stripes that you've created. You color them in black. Next, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape. Now on top of this, add the ears to it. Now add the rest of the nose right in the middle. Add the mouth to it as well. Add multiple dots to it, and then afterwards add the eyes as well. Add whiskers on either end and multiple dots to it. After this, add the mane around it as such. Make it as animated as possible. Now continue on and then draw the rest of its body. Now add the arm to it to begin with. Add the rest of the body at the back. Make it look like it is sitting. Give it a tail at the back as well. Now once you're done with the tail, this is what it should look like. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by taking a marker. Make this ovular shape out of the marker. Add a curved line to this and then add a circular shape to this as well. Add another circular shape to this as well. And then on either side, add the ears to this. Now add the antenna of it. Add two little nostrils. Now draw the neck of it as well. Continue on and then draw the rest of the body. Add the tail at the back and then add the legs underneath this. Now after you're done with this, add the base of the feet as well. Now add multiple polka dots all around the body. Now do this throughout, and then once you're done with this, you may color it in brown and yellow or in yellow and orange accordingly. Next, write the numbers from 1 to 6 on a sheet of paper, and then starting with the number 1, make a ladybug out of it. As you can see, we have completed the semicircular shapes. Add the legs on either end. Now add polka dots all throughout its body on either side. Next, starting with the 2, make a beak out of it. Draw the rest of the body and then make it into a water bird. Add the wings to it, add the water underneath. Next, out of the number 3, add this little head to it at the top, add wings on either side, and then afterwards add the antenna at the top, add a smiling face to it, and then add lines to the wings. Taking the number 4, make it into a fish. Elongate the back portion of it in order to make the front, and then afterwards add an eye to it in the front. Don't forget to add the fins to it as such. Now moving on to the number 5, make this bird out of it. Add the beak to it, and then afterwards make it look like it is holding something like a penguin. Taking the number 6, complete the circle, make it into a snail as such. Color this in. Thank you for watching.